Alam nyo ba na this is the best season for executive virtual assistants or general VAs, yung holiday season? That's because ito yung time na marami ka talagang madedelegate para sa sarili mo. Dito kang time na mapapakita mo sa client mo na bibong-bibo ka and may sense ka or meron kang magagawa para sa kanila. Ganon. Ito yon. So take advantage of the holiday seasons, mga general VAs and EVAs out there. Bago ko sabihin kung bakit this is the best season, magpakilala muna tayo there. Hi guys, I am Mia. Sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, I am an executive virtual assistant, now an operations manager, handling a team of executive VAs here in Athena. I am also an online course creator, a mentor, a coach, and also a public speaker. So now let's talk about ano ba yung mga tasks na pwede mong i-delegate sa sarili mo for your client now na holiday season.